Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn to Live Fully. This is second video in the 5-part video series sharing the steps towards inner peace. Today, you will be learning the second step towards inner peace. I will be sharing 2 techniques that you can practice attaining more inner peace. So, let's start. The second step is relax your search for inner peace. This step reminds you how inner peace is something that is already and always available to you. You will learn to meditation exercises that will let you experience this by focusing on accepting what already is here and now. Imagine a puddle of water with a muddy bottom. If you look for something desperately by splashing around in the puddle, you will stir up the mud and you will not be able to see a thing. If you instead relax and observe, the water will be still and the mud will settle. Your sight is now cleared. To achieve inner peace, you do not need to visit gurus. You do not need to become a monk or do psychedelic drugs and so on. Because inner peace is always already present. Enlightenment is already present in you. So, relax your search for it. It's not something you can get externally. Inner peace is the spaciousness you more easily notice when your thoughts, worries, fears, and judgments quiet down. Just by recognizing this, you can relax into it. So, relax. You need to grasp and make sense of everything. Just observe and remain uninterested in your thoughts. Meditation is a great tool to make it a habit. You can notice the peace that is always already present when you let go of the need to search for it. Deepen your relaxation by letting go. Experience the emptiness beyond all things. Developing your meditation skills will benefit you in every way imaginable. The search for meaning and trying to make sense of everything is mostly done by the left part of your brain. That's the part that deals with thinking linearly, objectively, and logically, organizing and associating details at this moment to past experiences and projecting them into the future as possibilities. The left hemisphere of your brain is responsible for language and thus all your mental chatter. Jill Bolte Taylor is a Harvard brain scientist who suffered a stroke in the left hemisphere of her brain. She was conscious enough to observe the whole process while it happened. Afterward, she shared it with the world. The right side of the brain processed the here and now, and when the stroke shut down her left hemisphere momentarily, she reported feeling profound inner peace. She is convinced that there was some kind of deep inner peace circuitry in our right hemisphere. This inner peace state that Jill Bolte Taylor describes is similar to what yogi, sages and monks have been reporting for thousands of years in states of meditation. In the last decades, there has been an increasing number of scientific studies on the effects of meditation. In just a couple of days to a couple of weeks meditating, one can ease stress, reduce anxiety, and increase focus and creativity. People who have been meditating for many years have more gray matter in their brains than others. This points to a preservation of the brain from meditation. By practicing meditation for 8 weeks, a decrease in activity in the amygdala, the brain's fear center, has been seen in studies from Stanford University. A Harvard study found that meditation reduced the physical size of the amygdala. Here are 2 different exercises to get you into meditative states. The reboot is a way of getting into a meditative state quickly and often during the day. The advantage is that you get used to being more present and you can go from recognition to conviction of the fact that all you need is always and already here by making it a habit to notice that you are, that you exist. Now, here already and always. For 5 seconds 10 times a day. Notice that you exist. Take a deep breath and let go of all thoughts. Feel into your senses, feel your toes, feel your skin. Take a look around you without feeling the need to label everything that you see. Listen to the details and quality of sounds around you. Listen to the silence that sounds themselves exist in. Embrace what is and relax without judging. This brings you back to a neutral, resting and observing as present consciousness or pure awareness. Back into more of the eternal peace that resides in and beyond all that is. The reboot has the advantage that you can implement it right away and practice it wherever and whenever. It serves as a reminder of you to recognize presence many times during the day. Make it a habit. Meditation is basically doing the reboot over and over again for a given amount of time, say 10 to 40 minutes. Meditation is the practice of reminding yourself repeatedly to notice that you already are present and not to engage in thoughts. This can lead to different and deeper realizations than to reboot. It may also make a big contrast to normal life when you are finished. And thus, sometimes the states you reach might be more difficult to implement into the rest of your life. However, the states themselves can be deeply rewarding, and over time, you will be able to implement more of what you are experiencing. To meditate, sit comfortably with a straight spine. People tend to get sleepy when they lie down. Take a few deep breaths and relax your body and mind, recognizing your existence in the absence of thoughts, or by letting go of engagement in mental chatter. Whenever your mind starts to wander, simply bring your attention back to noticing your presence, your existence, and disengage from any mental chatter. Focusing on your breath is a common way to start meditating. Take a deep, natural breath. Let your breathing happen naturally while you just pay attention to it. Do this lightheartedly and don't judge yourself if your mind wanders. It's all okay. A meditation session where you tried is a successful meditation session. This is a practice and you will get better. Let it happen naturally as you make it a habit. You can do both these techniques regularly. Do both at least for the first 5 days. The reboot is easier to execute for most people in their day-to-day lives. So, make that a habit no matter what, and experiment with longer meditation sessions as well to maximize the benefits. So, the second step towards inner peace is relax your search for inner peace. Practice reboot and meditation. Let's learn to live fully. Learn to live fully is focused on educating you on the immense power each of you has within. We provide several techniques, methods, and wisdom that help you to live your life to your full potential. As our primary focus is on personal growth, we provide online courses, ebooks, videos, audiobooks, blogs that help you learn to live fully. Please do check out our online store at http://learntolivefully.com/shop/ and order online courses and ebooks that help you to learn to live your life to your full potential. All our products are available at a discounted and affordable price right now. Please find the link to Learn to Live Fully online store in the description below. Order now. Thank you.